Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of CLAT Prep by Time, and I am your legal educator and mentor, Damini. In this video, we are going to discuss the CLAT 2025 predictive closing ranks, meaning our prediction as to which rank will get which college, because I understand that all of you all must be dreaming about getting into your preferential NLU. So that is what we are here for today, and I am going to tell you that on the basis of last 3 years rank and closing ranks analysis, that which college you may get this time, okay? And if you have any doubts about the counseling process and about the counseling note that the CLAT consortium has released, if you have any doubts about it, you can go to another video of our own faculty member wherein he has described the whole counseling process in detail, and we'll get the link of that video in this video's description. So don't forget to watch that. And coming back to this session, okay? So let's start with this session. Now, first thing that I want you all to understand is that when it comes to allotment of NLUs, it is it is actually on the basis of your all India ranks. Now, a lot of students have confusion about, on what basis NLUs are allotted. Some of them are confused that they are allotted on the basis of their category ranks or some other, process, or according to their marks. So the criteria for allotting the NLUs is on the basis of all India ranks. आपकी कैटेगरी रैंक नहीं देखी जाती है जब आपको कॉलेज अलॉट होता है. लेट्स से आपकी AIR रैंक है 1500, पर आपकी कैटेगरी SC, ST, OBC, whatever rank that is, let's say it is 150. So the college will not be allotted to you on the basis of this rank, but on the basis of this rank. Now, there are a lot of technicalities in itself, and I will discuss with you all the same thing, okay? And another thing that I want you to know is that these ranks that are there, these are the closing ranks, okay? These are the closing ranks, meaning that this prediction is about the last rank that would get into a particular NLU. Now, let me explain it to you in a little more detail, okay? Now, if we have NLS Bangalore, if I talk about general rank 101, it does not mean that this is the rank in the first cutoff list. When we talk about this 101, this is the last rank that would get into NLS, meaning after the 5th list that will be coming out, okay? So if the first list has come out and your rank is, a little around this, and you think that, you are going to get into this particular NLU or you are not going to get into this particular NLU, you have to be patient about it. आपको patient रहना पड़ेगा, because these scores and these ranks are on the basis of the final cutoff list, which is the 5th cutoff list, okay? So stay patient and, do not worry much about it, okay? And, okay, so let's start with the same thing. Now, last 3 years ke analysis ke according, when we had analyzed the last 3 years, which was 22, 23 and 24 ka CLAT exam, we could tell that these closing ranks, NLS में last year जो last बच्चा enter हुआ था of the general category was at 101 rank, okay? 101 rank was the last rank that gotten into NLS. Now, if you belong to OBC category, and the rank for that was 975, and we are predicting this actual ranks may vary, thoda bahut upar niche ho sakta hai, because of changes in number of seats and other factors such as cutoff and etc. Okay, so ye jo 975 hai, if you belong to OBC category and you are under this, meaning from rank 1 to 101, and I am talking about lists from first list to the last list, which would be the 5th list. This is not just about the first list. Let me repeat that again. Okay, so if you belong to OBC category and you score, your rank is below 975, थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, मान लीजिए 5-6 रैंक्स ऊपर नीचे, अगर वो हो गया है तो उसका हमें टेंशन नहीं लेना है, because these are again predictive scores. तो अगर आप OBC कैटेगरी से बिलोंग करते हैं and you are somewhere around this range, then there is a very high chance that you will get into NLS by the 5th list comes out, by the time 5th list comes out, okay? And सेम सिनेरियो फॉर SC and ST कैटेगरी. इफ यू बिलोंग टू SC कैटेगरी और आपका AIR रैंक, अगेन दिस इज नॉट कैटेगरी रैंक, दिस इज AIR रैंक. अगर आपका AIR रैंक 3020 और उसके आसपास के किसी फिगर में है, तो by the time fifth list comes out, you can get into NLS. There is a very high chance of that. Okay. And the figure for the same for ST is 7500. Okay. So इस basis पे आपको college allot होता है. Okay. आपकी preferences आप जिस according भरोगे, that's a different thing. That is also very important. But college allotment is based on AIR ranks. Alright. So next up is Nalsar Hyderabad. This is the dream college that all the students want to get into, all the CLAT aspirants wants to get into. But the second in the list is Nalsar Hyderabad. Again, generally, most recently what started happening is more students have started to opt for Nalsar Hyderabad in place of NLS Bangalore for various reasons. Okay, we are not getting into that. But again, for the top 5 NLUs, you can, always switch up the places as per your preferences. We suggest you that you do not, but if in any case you want to, you can. Okay. For that, you have to be very careful while you are filling in the, preference list. All right. So second is Nalsar Hyderabad. Now Nalsar Hyderabad mein last 3 years की prediction के according, by the end of the fifth list, अगर आपकी rank 170 के अंदर है, again थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, but if your rank is around 150, lesser than 150, then you can get into Nalsar Hyderabad. And by lesser, I mean you have a higher rank, meaning lesser in number, like rank number 168, 169. Okay. So if you are below 170 and you have a rank around that and you belong to general category, you can get into Nalsar Hyderabad. Again, the figure for OBC is 1125, the figure for SC is 3575, and figure for ST for getting into Nalsar Hyderabad is 6075. Okay. Now, a very important thing that comes is about the state quota. Okay. A lot of universities provide for state quota. Now, what is this state quota? This state quota is about the domiciles, the people who belong to the same state, the students who belong to the same state, unke liye quota hai. Meaning, if you are an OBC candidate and you have scored a particular rank and you want to apply for Kolkata, NUJS Kolkata you want to apply and you are an OBC student, you will have to apply at your AIR rank. You cannot apply at your OBC rank. Why? Because in WB NUJS, which is NUJS Kolkata, आपके पास OBC सर्टिफिकेट या OBC रैंक आपकी तभी वैलिड होगी जब आप स्टेट डोमिसाइल कैंडिडेट है. Okay, so there are a lot of other universities also that I'm going to show you in next few minutes. They are also taking reservation categories in the state quota only. Okay, तो अगर आप OBC कैंडिडेट हैं और अगर आप कोलकाता में जाना चाहते हैं तो आपको अपनी जनरल रैंक पर ही अप्लाई करना होगा. कोलकाता SC ST कैटेगरीज हैं, आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं इन रैंक्स पर कोलकाता में. ओके, एंड नाउ NUJS कोलकाता में क्या है कि देयर आर 2 कोर्सेज. नाउ इफ यू आर अ साइंस स्टूडेंट, इफ यू बिलोंग टू अ साइंस स्ट्रीम, तो ये आपके लिए है. दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स इज फॉर यू. मान लीजिए आपकी कट ऑफ जो है बाय द टाइम फिफ्थ लिस्ट कम्स आउट इस फिगर तक नहीं पहुंच पाती है या आपकी रैंक इसके आसपास नहीं है, तो आपके लिए एक बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है. और अगर आप साइंस स्ट्रीम से हैं तो आपके लिए एक बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है BSc LLB. BSc LLB किस चीज में होती है? यहाँ पे होती है क्रिमिनोलॉजी और फॉरेंसिक्स में ये BSc LLB कराया जाता है. ओके, तो अगर आपकी रैंक ज्यादा है, अगर आपकी रैंक अच्छी नहीं है और आपको कोलकाता जाना है और आप साइंस के स्टूडेंट हैं, तो you can apply under this course. You can go for this course. Okay. Again, for the OBC category students, state quota is there, and this are the figure for SC and ST. Okay. Again, I am repeating it again. These are all India ranks and not category ranks. Again, it is a very important thing for you to remember. All right. Moving on. Apart from these 2 courses, next up we have NLIU Bhopal. Okay. NLIU Bhopal we have. All right. NLIU Bhopal का cut off can go till 460 this year. Our prediction is that 460 तक आपकी रैंक अगर आ रही है तो आपका बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग चांसेस है कि आपको NLIU भोपाल मिल जाएगा. ओके, द फिगर फॉर OBC. नाउ यहाँ ऐसा इशू नहीं है कि आप OBC रैंक के हो तो आपको स्टेट कोटा में ही आना पड़ेगा. अगर आप स्टेट कोटा में भी नहीं हो, यानी कि अगर आप MP डोमिसाइल नहीं भी हो, तब भी आप OBC कैटेगरी में कॉलेज, अगर आपका रैंक, अगर आपका कट ऑफ क्लियर हो जाता है तो आप जा सकते हैं. ओके, एंड अगेन SC एंड ST का फिगर इज हियर. ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट रैंक्स. नाउ अगेन भोपाल में भी कोलकाता की तरह भोपाल में भी देयर आर 2 कोर्सेज. वन इज विच इज BA LLB जो मैंने अभी आपको ऊपर बताया, एंड अनदर इज BSc LLB. नाउ BSc LLB इज अगेन फॉर साइंस स्टूडेंट्स. अगर आपका रैंक बहुत अच्छा नहीं है, यू हैव नॉट स्कोर्ड अ गुड रैंक एंड यू वांट टू गेट इनटू NLIU भोपाल, यू कैन गो फॉर BSc LLB विच इज इन साइबर सिक्योरिटी. ओके, साइबर सिक्योरिटी में जो है NLIU भोपाल का BSc LLB कोर्स है, तो उसके लिए आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एंड दीज आर द फिगर्स आपके सामने स्क्रीन पे. यू कैन सी इफ बाय द टाइम 5th लिस्ट कम्स आउट और आपका ये रैंक है, तो अगेन आपको ये कॉलेज मिल सकता है. ऑलराइट, सेम गोज फॉर NLU जोधपुर, NLU रायपुर, NLU गांधीनगर. ये रैंक्स और ये कट ऑफ क्राइटेरिया आपका है फॉर गेटिंग इनटू दीज कॉलेजेस. ओके, नाउ RML लखनऊ. अब RML लखनऊ का क्या है, कैसा है कि इफ यू आर अ जनरल कैटेगरी स्टूडेंट एंड योर रैंक इज क्लोज टू 770, बिलो 770, ओके, देन यू कैन गो इनटू RML लखनऊ. आपको अपनी प्रेफरेंसेस इसी अकॉर्डिंग भरनी है. आपको अपना रैंक देखना है, आपको अपना कैटेगरी देखना है. लेट्स से इफ यू आर अ वुमेन कैंडिडेट, if you belong to a category, okay, and if you have a domicile, then even if your rank is not that good, there's a very high chance that you can get into the college of your choice if you fill the preference list in that order. Okay, if you fill the preference list smartly. Okay, so लखनऊ में जनरल कैटेगरी स्टूडेंट अगर आप हैं तो टिल द रैंक ऑफ 770 आपको कॉलेज मिलने के बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस हैं, again by the end of 5th list. But if you are an OBC candidate, SC candidate और ST candidate, और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप अपना कैटेगरी का बेनिफिट ले पाए for getting into this college, you cannot do that unless you are a domicile of this particular state, unless you are a domicile of UP. Alright, तो ये सारे figures हैं. These are again predictive ranks on the basis of last 3 years analysis. Alright. Now in Patna, BA LLB, BBA LLB and Kochi, SC ST candidates के लिए domicile है. Again, as I explained to you few minutes back, कि अगर आप domicile हैं और आपका rank उतना अच्छा नहीं है, अगर आप state domicile है, पटना और कोची के केस में this follows. If you are a state domicile, even if you are not getting a good rank, you can apply under these categories. But again, it's a disadvantage for those who do not have the domicile of that particular state. Alright, so I hope ये चीज आपको clear हो गई हो. It's very clear. It's not that tough to understand, but I am here to explain you. So hopefully you are getting what the concept is of college allotment. किस rank पे आपको कौन सा NLU मिल सकता है. Alright, NLU O, NLU रांची and सबसे ज्यादा स्टेट कोटा, लेट मी टेल यू, सबसे ज्यादा स्टेट कोटा इज इन द कॉलेजेस ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, विच इज MNLU मुंबई, MNLU नागपुर. अगेन नागपुर हैज 2 courses, BA LLB and BB LLB, and MNLU Aurangabad with 2 courses. Now if you are a general candidate, you can look at these ranks and get into the college if you again come close by these ranks. But अगर आप कैटेगरी स्टूडेंट हैं तो महाराष्ट्र में देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर रिजर्वेशन फॉर अगेन स्टेट डोमिसाइल ओनली. Okay, if you are an OBC, SC, ST and you want to get the advantage of this category rank of yours, you will not be able to do it because you're not the domicile of the Maharashtra state. Alright, तो महाराष्ट्र में है ये. And then we have lower NLUs, उसमें same चीज follows in NLU Agartala. Okay, so these are the ranks, these are the predictive closing ranks actually. कि let's कैसा होता है कि if I say for NLU Shimla, okay, NLU Shimla BA LLB course, according to the prediction last year तक जो last student by the end of 5th list enter हुआ था कॉलेज में, that was at the rank of 2110. General category student without any horizontal reservation, 2110 was the rank. तो आपको ये पूरा रैंक का जो लिस्ट है कि आपको कौन सी रैंक पे कौन सा कॉलेज मिलेगा, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट अकॉर्डिंगली, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट इन दिस वे, जैसे मैंने आपको समझाया है. ओके, ऑलराइट. तो ये अगेन क्लोजिंग रैंक्स हैं, बाय द एंड ऑफ 5th लिस्ट तक ही हैं. तो बी पेशेंट, बिकॉज अभी तक सारी लिस्ट नहीं आई है. तो प्लीज, इट्स माई रिक्वेस्ट, बी पेशेंट. पैनिक नहीं करना है, हाइपर नहीं होना है, टेंशन बिल्कुल नहीं लेना है. एंड अगेन दीज द थिंग दैट डोमिसाइल रैंक्स वी कैन नॉट प्रिडिक्ट. आपने इस डेटा में बहुत जगह देखा होगा कि डोमिसाइल रैंक्स हमने प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर रखी है. दैट इज बिकॉज वी डू नॉट हैव अ स्टेट वाइज डेटा. Okay, number of students from each state may vary, so that is why we do not have that particular prediction. Okay, and again, these are predictive ranks. Actual ranks may vary depending upon the increase or decrease of number of seats in various colleges, but more or less is par you can rely, and accordingly you can get an idea of which NLU are you going to get into at your rank. Okay, again, if you want to understand the counseling process in detail, we have already uploaded a video about the same. तो उसका link will be there in the description box below. And अगर आपकी rank अच्छी नहीं आई है, which should not happen, but again, in case अगर आपका rank अच्छा नहीं आया है और आपको lower NLUs में नहीं जाना है, तो there are a lot of top non-NLUs, यानी कि बहुत सारे there are private colleges that are out there and are good. So we have a different video already uploaded on our channel about this top non-NLU colleges that you can get into. The link for the same will also be in the description below. तो आप जाइए, आप वो वीडियो देखिए. And about the counseling process, or about the allotment of college, or about your ranks, or anything else about the discrepancies. If you have any doubts, you can contact your nearest CLAT Prep Center. आप जाकर visit कर सकते हैं. You can call them. Our faculties will be there. The help desk is there. They're going to help you out with that. And on that note, I am going to end this video. Wish you a very all the best again. अभी सिर्फ paper हुआ है. A lot of process is still remaining. So we'll come up with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.